and also the presence of the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Maria Cristina Rona Piang Flores of UP Maguindanao del Norte. Ma'am, welcome po sa Dr. Blasinsa. At syempre po, mapapakinggan din po natin at magbibigay po ng short message. Again, our Municipal Mayor of UP, Honorable Maria Cristina Rona Piang Flores. A round of applause, please.
Magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Pio Guto Klohanan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pasensya na po, kala ko po kasi bisita lang po ako dito ngayon. Pag may message po pala. So first of all, my courtesy and respect to the Governor of the Province of Maguindanao del Norte, Honorable Datu Tukaw Mastura. We have here our Provincial Administrator, our former Governor, Sir Dato Sharifuddin Tukaw Mastura, sir. My colleagues in public service, fellow servants, pasensya na po, hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa. Our newly elected Vice Governor of our province, Honorable Dato Marshal Sinswat, and also yung ating mga board members po, na mga newly elected board members of our province. Sige, yung aming UPDC President, yung aming, nauna po ako sa kanya today, kaya hindi niya ako ma-award today. The Mayor of Northern Kabuntalan, Honorable Ramil Umbra Dilangalen. Also yung President ng Iranon Corridor po, Honorable Kaharibay of Parang, and the rest. Yung ating MLGOO po ng Dato Bla, and also the Assistant Provincial Director po ng MDN, Ma'am Tarambay Amboloto, together with our PD po, Madam Tarhata Balading Madam. Yung ating mga visitors from partner line agencies po, our security sectors, our newly elected Mayor of the Dato Bla Sinswat, Madam Raida Tumawi Sinswat, together with the newly elected Vice Mayor, Honorable Bay Micaela Sinswat, at kasama po yung ating mga Sangguniang Bayan members, department heads, mga constituents po ni Dato Bla. Magandang tanghali po ulit sa inyong lahat. So, in behalf po ng local government unit po ng UP, kami po sa bayan ng UP, we would like to congratulate po yung pagkapanalo po ng ating Vice Governor. Alam niyo po yung panalo ng ating mga kandidato dito sa Province of Maguindanao del Norte ay hindi lamang po kanilang tagumpay, kundi bagkus tagumpay po ng buong constituents at buong mga Bangsamoro people dito po sa province po ng Maguindanao del Norte. So sana po, gaya po ng sabi ng ating MILG, public service is a public trust and we must uphold it with integrity, transparency, accountability, and with humility po. So sana tuloy-tuloy po yung ating samahan, tuloy-tuloy po yung ating collaboration at pagtutulungan para po sa mas lalo pa pong ika-aangat po ng buhay po ng bawat constituents po ng ating probinsya at ng bawat constituents po ng ating mga munisipyo. So maraming salamat po, Pio Bagi and Wasalam, and congratulations and good luck po ulit sa ating lahat.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor. At ngayon naman po, syempre hindi natin palalagpasin na